Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Yorkshire pudding in your air fryer. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 100 grams of plain flour, 2 large eggs, 100 milliliters of milk, and some beef dripping. Remember, having all your ingredients at room temperature is key for achieving that perfect rise and crispy texture. This small step makes a big difference. Now let's create that wonderful batter. In a bowl, whisk 100 grams of plain flour with a pinch of salt. Then, gradually incorporate 2 large eggs and 100 milliliters of milk, whisking continuously until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. Once combined, cover the batter and let it rest for at least 30 minutes, or even up to several hours in the fridge. This resting period is crucial for light and airy puddings. Next, it's time to get the air fryer ready. Preheat your air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. While it's heating, place a small amount, about 1 teaspoon, of beef dripping into each cup of your muffin tin or ramekin. Once the air fryer is hot, carefully place the tin inside and heat the dripping until it's smoking hot. Then, quickly pour your rested batter into each cup, filling them about 1/3 full. Finally, for those perfect golden puffs, cook your Yorkshire puddings in the preheated air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and have risen impressively. It's very important not to open the air fryer door during the first 10 minutes of cooking, as this can cause them to collapse. Once cooked, serve these delightful, crispy Yorkshire puddings immediately with your favorite roast dinner. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.